जी हम देखना चाहेंगे कि एक मैस की वजह से ग्रेविटेशन फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ जो है वो कैसे वेरी होता है, उसका ग्राफ कैसे होता है, और फिर दो मैसेस के दरमियान में ग्रेविटेशन फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ कैसे वेरी होता है। आपको पता है ग्रेविटेशन फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ का जो फॉर्मूला होता है दैट इज जी एम बाई आर स्क्वायर, वेयर आर इज द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ दैट मैस और एम इज द मैस, एंड दिस रिलेशनशिप इज ओनली वैलिड व्हेन यू आर अवे फ्रॉम द सर्फेस ऑफ द प्लेनेट। सो हमारे पास ये एक मैस है जिसकी वजह से वी हैव टू प्लॉट द ग्रेविटेशन फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ, और लुकिंग एट दिस एक्सप्रेशन यू कैन सी कि ग्रेविटेशन फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ विल डिक्रीज follows the inverse square law, or the value of g will decrease in this way. If the value of g at the surface of this planet is something, let's say g naught, that double distances will become g naught by 4 because it is inversely proportional to r square and 3. So it will not touch this axis, it will touch this axis at infinity. What is the graph of g within this planet? Within this planet, the graph is always a straight line. So the value of g increases from the center to the surface of the planet. It is maximum at the surface, then the value decreases, or the graph looks like this. Okay, so when there are two masses, let's say we are talking about the value of g at any point in between, the value of g due to m1 will be in this direction. Let me call it as g1, and due to m2 it will be in this direction. Okay, so these two values of g are in opposite direction. So there will be a point where values of g will be equal. So the total gravitational field strength will be 0 at that point. So as g is a vector quantity, so we should take g due to one planet as positive and g due to other planet as negative. So if I'm taking g due to m1 as positive, that will change like this, and g due to m2 will be negative, and it will be maximum at its surface. The graph will look like this. If you have to plot the net gravitational field strength, the net gravitational field strength will be done by taking the values at any point and adding them. So this value is positive, this is negative, so the answer will be a positive number. At this point, both values are equal, so they will cancel, so the resultant G will look like this. This is net gravitational field strength, and net gravitational field strength decreases to the 0, and then it increases in another direction. So if these two masses are equal, then this point will be at the center. If they are not equal, then this point will be closer to the smaller mass. Okay, so if we are interested to draw the gravitational field strength between these surfaces, that will be the graph of the net gravitational field strength.